Hello, I'm Preeti Ocharu, and this is my presentation about Linux shell command. So this is my username, Charu, and Navis VirtualBox is the name of VirtualBox that I'm using for running the Linux. So firstly, we will see PWD. Okay, PWD means print working directory. So I'm working from home slash Charu directory. So I will see the folders. So ls will give me the folders, desktop, document, download music. Okay. So if I want to go to the desktop folder, then I will have to type cd desktop. Okay. Now this this thing will make sure that I'm in the desktop folder. So now if I want to check what is in my desktop folder, okay, there is no file or folder in my desktop folder. Okay. So let's create one, mkdir 19101173. Okay, it will create a new folder in desktop directory. Okay, it's done. Now let's see. Yes, yeah, we can see that a new folder has been created. So now let's let's create a okay, so let's create a file. So for creating a file, we have to type cat, then this sign, and we have to type the for file name. Let's make the file name track txt file. Okay, it's done, and I have to type what will be in the file. So hello 449. Okay, it's done. Now let's see. Here you can see that a new file has been created in my desktop folder. So let's okay. Okay. Now this cd dot will it's like a backspace or up folder means that it will take me back to my previous directory. So now I am in my previous directory, which is not desktop obviously. Now if I want to check the if I want to check ls, yeah, the same as before. Now this this command will show me how many directories are there. uh, it ls dash f shows the shows the uh, shows the file folder type or file type. If I make a new text file here, okay, I'm using another another command. So touch new.txt will give me another text file. Now if I check again ls dash f, it will give me new.txt file and all the other folders. This is desktop folder. Okay, now if I type ls dash f desktop, it will show me what is inside the desktop. Yeah, we can see that inside the desktop we have two one folder and one file. Now if I type ls dash s, it will show me the total size and size of the each folder and the folder name obviously. As we can see that new.txt has 0 size. Again ls-l, it will show me when the file is has been created, the file creation time or the folder creation time. Again ls-rt will show me the recent updated file in order, folder in order, like videos, public, music. Now if I go to my desktop, cd desktop, and I'm going to my folder, my id folder. Okay, now I'm inside my id folder. From here, let's create another file. file.txt. Okay, good morning, how you doing? Okay, now yes, inside my id folder I have created one file, which is morefile.txt. Now let's create a folder inside my folder, mkdir. Let's name it any folder, sorry. Okay, sorry, ls. Okay, la gives me the same as ls. Interesting. So now let me delete one file. So let's delete any folder. Oh, sorry, more file. Okay, now ls. Okay, more file.txt has been deleted successfully. Now if we want to delete any folder, we have to use another command in between rm and folder name, which is -r. Now let's type any folder. Okay, then ls. Okay, there is no more folder left or file left. Now let me create another file, sorry, folder. cc449. Now let's create another file now. Okay, let's use Nano. Nano is a text editor in Linux. So Nano, then we will have to write the text file name, which is textfile.txt. Okay, this is the text file. This is the editor. So we can type anything. Let me write anything and that I want. Okay. Save modified. Yes. Cancel. Exit. Okay, now type ls. There is no file. Okay, let's try again. Yes. Okay, ls. Okay, it's not working somehow. Okay, then let's work with touch. So touch text file.txt. Now type ls. Okay, now a file has been created. Now we want to show copy. So we will copy. Okay, let's go back to csc449. Okay, so csc449 has no file or no folder. So now let's copy text file.txt into csc449. So cp csc449, then text file.txt. Okay, it's not working. Let's do it again. Okay, let's go with move. Let's move text file to csc44. So csc44 text file.txt. It's not working. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. I must write text file before csc449. So let's work again. So cp text file dot txt, then csc449. Okay, now let's go to csc449. cd csc449. Okay, ls. Okay, the file has successfully been moved from the other folder. Now let's go back to our previous one. Okay, now make another file which will be new file.txt. Now let's type anything. This is another file. Okay, that's it. Now let's, okay, now we have one folder and two file. Now we will we'll move, oh, sorry, we will copy this new file to, sorry, we will move this new file to CSC449. So move new file CSC449. Okay, now let's check. Okay, there is no new file.txt inside this id folder. Now let's go to cd csc449 ls. Okay, now we have two file inside csc449. Now let me remove new file, or let me delete new file. So rm text file .txt ls. There is only one file right now, which is new file.txt. So we can do a lot more with ls command. Like if I type ls-a, it will show me the hidden files, but there is no hidden file in this csc449 folder, so we have to go back to our previous folders. So with cd dot dot we can go to our previous folder. So here we are now back to our working directory, first working directory. So here if I type ls-a, we can see a lot of hidden folders. Which folders are hidden? We will know them by checking this dot. Which folders has the dot are the hidden folders. The folders has the dot are the hidden folders. Really. Okay. We can do a lot more things. Like uh, if I type ls dash dash help, then it will give me a document. It will give me a document from where I can get the help. All right. And to clear all of this in from the shell, we have to type just clear, and it will be gone. Okay. So now let's type lsdo and asterisk. Okay, this is kind of interesting. lsdo asterisk will give me all of the folders that are started with do, like documents and downloads file folder. Sorry. Uh, Similarly, if I type ls asterisk s, it will give us all the file and folders that is ended with s. Here is the s. Okay. Now uh, I can now let me go back to the desktop uh, folder. Desktop. Okay. ls f asterisk dot txt. It will give me this file. Why? Because I have only this file which is ended with text like this. All right. Then okay. Now let me create some folders. Sorry, file. Uh, random one dot txt. Let me write some random text. Okay, they are meaningless. Okay. And then let's create another one. Random two dot txt. It will have only one line, so just type one line. Okay. Then let's create another one. Random three dot txt. Just another file thing. practicing Linux. Okay, now let me see how many folder files I have. Okay, now I have one folder, three files, text files. Okay. Now, if I want to see, if I want to check the line or character I have in any particular file, we can check it by typing wc, and then let's check random tree text. How many lines are there, or how many characters are there? Oops, so random tree. I have to just write three here. Not there. Okay. In random tree text, I have only two line, six characters, and this is the so, sorry, six words and 39 characters. So two line, six words, 39 characters in random tree of text, which is this one, two, three, four, five, six, six words. So if I want to check all the file, I have to type wc star dot txt. Then it will show me all the things, all the files, and also the total. Okay. Now if I just want to check the l.txt, so I forgot to give the array. Okay. It shows me only the line number. Random tree has two lines. Yeah, it is. The random tree has two lines. Now if I type this, mm, okay, so it will also give me the same thing. Now if I sort all of them, txt, here it is sorted. The line numbers are sorted. Okay. So now if I want to check the first sorted file, I have to type head minus n1 and then len.txt. So this is the first file. I can do it by using this also, sort minus n ngth.txt. So sorted len.txt. Okay. Now if I want to check the sorted one, now let me write a command. Just make a mistake here. Okay. After sorting this, I still get the first one. So what is happening here? Okay. So what is happening here? We are just sorted out and then painted the first one. Now let me show you the uh, cut command. First let me create another folder. Why? Sorry, just animals txt. Now let me write some animal name. Dog. Okay, this is enough. Now, if I type cut uh, p dash p 1.2 emails txt, then it will show me the first two letters of each line, like R from rabbit, C from cat, D from dog, L from elephant. Likewise, if I go and just set it 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, then it will show me the second and third letter of the words. Okay, now let me run a loop in Linux shell. Mm, a loop in, uh, it will look through all the numbers from 1 to 5. Likewise, I can do it to print all the folders names. So suppose I'm in desktop and there is this one folder and many files. So for this, what I can do, is let me write the file name, um, txt. I want to look through all the file inside desktop folder. So the file name in uh, this to file name. Okay, so it has given me all the file names. Lastly, I'll show the uh, use of break command. So okay, let me create another file. And I'll just random sentence. Okay. Now, the grep command is help us. The grep command help us to find out a specific substring. So, for example, if I want to find out the from this substring, from this string, I have to type grep w comma let's write txt. So here it is. It has given me the substring from this string. So that's it. I'm finishing my presentation. Thank you all.